Well, we're in Rabun County, Georgia for our hike of the week. We're at Warwoman Dell, and we're going to be hiking on the Bartram Trail, and we're going to go up to Pinnacle Mountain, Pinnacle Knob. It's a beautiful day. It's going to be a clear skies, looks like. And temperatures now are in the 50s, should be up into the 70s later today. Lots of wildflowers today. This is a Vasey's Trillium, a very large Trillium. This is Becky Branch Falls. Beautiful falls with a lot of water today. We've had lots of rain this past weekend. And there's a bridge across the creek right here. Yeah. Another nice pinkster blooming. I've seen a lot of these.
Those are just
native azalea.
Thick in places in Panther Town.
Uh-huh. Oh, Martin Creek today is really roaring with water. Beautiful Martin Creek Falls. We have a nice observation deck.
Slick. Careful.
This is a beautiful day out here on the Bartram Trail. All the leaves are bright green, fresh. Lots of flowers. Mountains around. Just another beautiful day for a hike. Bartram Trail marker here on the side. They have the yellow rectangle. Trail is well marked and well maintained. This is a trail junction where you can go on the regular trail, or you can take the side trail across to Martin Creek Falls. It's a great little area here, flat. A lot of tall trees. Beautiful spot. No narration needed. Foamflower. We're back to Becky Branch Falls.